o'clock today, and we've got till 4 o'clock.
Yeah, we've got late checkout.
Late checkout, which is lovely, and then we have to leave the resort. We get ousted at 4, so we've got a full day here. Yeah. I've just been out for a walk, and while I was out for a walk, went to a little shopping centre just up the road to get Scarlett a SPF t-shirt to cover up her little shoulders because they're getting a bit burnt because this sun is crazy. Yeah. So that was really nice, like a Subway, McDonald's, some other bits and bobs, nothing major.
Is that what you had for your breakfast?
Yeah, Subway, McDonald's and Domino's I had. And I thought we'll go downstairs now and try all 3 restaurants.
Oh, funny.
Breakfast?
Funny. Let's go!
So we're going to start by checking out the market, see what that's like. So this one you got the fruit, you got the eggs again, danishes, cold meats. And again the same hot stuff. Looks good. I think we go to Chow. Very peaceful in the morning, apart from Sienna. I'm just saying how peaceful it was, Lynds. And then it got Sienna'd. Back to Chow. Scarlett thinks this little girl here looks like Moana. How's the yogurt? Is it the best? Look at the view. Guys, now we're just being daft. What you got, kid?
I've got a Nutella crepe.
Can they make it for you special?
Yeah.
Special crepe for a special girl.
Well, they just have them like loads of toppings on, and like you just tell them what you want, and then like they make it in it.
And then poof, magic.
Yeah.
So up at the egg station, it's an omelette today. There's your options. Here we go. It's like a burrito, it's that big. It's amazing. So I've just Englified it, put ketchup on, looks incredible. Hopefully I can eat this, I'm not sure it'll be very good. That may have been the best omelette I've ever had. Amazing, wasn't it? Does the bacon, kiddo? Come back for breakfast next week? Yeah. So Carlos, lovely man, has just brought us this.
Wow.
As he said, it's our last day. These guys are amazing, aren't they?
Who wants cake?
Look at that. Come on then, kiddo. Someone looks happy.
Okay, I'm just going to dive in.
Good.
Oh my god.
Oh, so kind. So lovely here. So nice. You're gonna get it. Pool's lovely and quiet at the moment. Looks like there's some fitness going on. Yeah?
Gentlemen, this is
Such drum fitness.
Our drum fitness over here in the center activity.
There's always something going on. Oh, Scarlett's in. What are you doing?
One by one.
So I've been told by Sienna I need to come and get the camera. She just managed to brave the slide all by herself. Even though it does say that over 5s only. There they are down there. Can you see them right over there? Oh, there. They're waving. Show you around a little bit of the main pool. I know Ash has probably done this already, but he always complains that I don't get on the camera, so I thought I'd just give it a go. Here they are. It's so hot. Woo!
Like,
Woo! This little gecko casually walking around.
oh no.
I think you think you're a gecko, Sienna, with your swimsuit on. He's not going to get you.
No, he's not gonna bite us.
No, he's friendly.
So the girls have been doing an aqua aerobics. Me and Scarlett are just chilling out, having a drink. Here's the man. There he is. Drinks and a smile. Thanks, my friend.
Welcome, baby.
Woo-hoo! Girls are loving life. Let's get the last hour in the pool because after this we're gonna go check out. Uh-oh. Right, so room is checked. Have we checked under the beds? Come on, Dad checks. Get them checked. Check the bath. We've checked the toilet. It's time to check out. Last walk. There is, yeah. That's what the beach ball was for that they gave us earlier. Not good to us because it was about an event, something going on in Louisiana. Right, second attempt at the market. Little light lunch before we head off. So lots and lots of sushi and cold meats. Looks amazing. Salad. Whoa, wow. Salad. Not sure what's going on there. Teppanyaki. Oh wow, look at this. Some fish and pastas. Make your own pasta sauce. Pizza. This is incredible. And then you come back round when you've had your 3 courses and all the bread. You might want some fruit. What's more likely if you're with the Hackett fam, you can have some cake. All good, Linds? What you got, Sienna? Ham sandwich and some pizza. Gone for some sushi. Too good. A little bit of everything. The top sirloin. These are chicken skins in cheese sauce. Some shredded pork. Sweet and sour pork. I think the food's amazing. Scarlett's not as big a fan. They did outside. What you got, Lind? Is that the teriyaki from the teppanyaki bit? The salad. Good. Is that the cheesecake from the coffee shop?
And then my dog got sick shop when it's not front and him. They made me want to dance.
Time to go! Right, girls! Scarlett! Sienna! Time to go! One more go! Here we go. Oh God. So we're leaving. This hotel's amazing, isn't it? We've just checked out. We're gonna get a taxi back now. This one's wiped out. So back to the Riu, which is also amazing. But we love this hotel. We are going to do a resort tour vlog at the end of the vlog series. So stay around to the end of the vlog series, and hopefully you'll be able to see everything on that one vlog as well. But it's time to go, isn't it, girls?
Time to go.
Back to the Riu.
Sorry.
Another nice little chill in the room, although it wasn't as nice as normal because all the aircon. Well, our aircon hasn't been working properly on here at all, has it?
No, we didn't think.
But when we got in today, it's stiflingly hot. So the aircon in the whole hotel is down. So they're trying to work on it. They're trying to get it right. They said they'd have it right for 7 p.m. It's about 7:15 now. It still doesn't work. So fingers crossed to get it right before we go to bed because it's so hot. It's like 80 odd. It was about 90 odd degrees, isn't it?
Might as well just fill our sheets with ice.
Oh, that'd be a good idea.
Oh yeah.
Right, to the buffet.
To the buffet.
How's the pizza? I've gone for some lamb and chicken. Well, at least you're consistent, Scarlett, and never have any colour on your plate.
Sorry,
Got
I have
Lynds.
bread, I have pink.
You got the pasta on you.
I had the pasta.
Nice.
Really good. 4 cheese pasta.
The lamb was lovely. So Scarlett's been for some pizza.
So I went to the vegetable court and there was this guy, he was about to spoon up some vegetables on his plate. He went like that, so he went, screw this, I'm going to go get some ice cream.
He's on vacation.
He's that kind of guy.
What were you doing near the vegetable court?
No, I wasn't, I was walking past it.
Oh, right, okay.
And I don't know what, and the guy was like, he was going like this and he was like, so I was watching what he's going to choose and he just went, screw this, I'm going to go get some ice cream.
Topa Topa, the third parent in this family.
I don't think I have enough sprinkles on here.
Enjoy.
It's 82 degrees Fahrenheit.
And it's like 10 o'clock.
It's 10
So hot, there's just no air. Hopefully that aircon's fixed. If not, I might be sleeping in the ice machine. What do we think of the circus show?
Yeah, it's good.
Very clever,
I
isn't
just
it?
stuck it while in the top. I found it.
Right, I go to bed. You go to bed? Around this way. Night night.